In 1643, Galileo discovered Venus, and it was named after the goddess of love.
Venus is the second planet from the Sun. It is 67 million miles away.
Venus is located between Mercury and Earth.
The orbit of Venus is the most circular orbit in all of space. The radius of Venus's orbit is 0.7 astronomical units. It takes Venus 223 days to orbit the Sun. This is 3/5 of an Earth year.
Venus's rotation takes longer than its revolution, or orbit. It takes 243.16 Earth days. Venus's rotation is backwards in comparison to other planets.
The diameter of Venus is 12,104 kilometers, which is about 400 miles smaller than Earth. Venus and Earth are identified as twin planets.
They're similar in size, density, and mass. Its density is 5.204 grams per cubic centimeter. Its mass is 4.868 times 10 to the 24th power kilograms.
The gravity of Venus is about 90% of that on Earth. If something weighs 100 pounds on Earth, it would weigh about 89 pounds on Venus.
Breaking news! Venus has an extremely thick atmosphere. All of the energy from the sun gets trapped in it.
So does that mean people can't explore there?
Let me explain. You need oxygen to breathe, and Venus's atmosphere contains 97% carbon dioxide, causing Venus's runaway greenhouse effect. Venus is a terrestrial planet made of rock and no ocean. Therefore, the carbon dioxide is not dissolved. Devin, that's bad. Not only that, but the clouds are made of sulfuric acid. It's okay. You're on Earth, where it's safe.
If you were on Venus, you would get crushed by its pressure and boiled by its temperature. Venus is approximately 475 degrees Celsius all year round. The temperature of Venus only varies with altitude. Venus is only tilted 3 degrees versus Earth, which is tilted on its axis 23.5 degrees. This is the reason for the steady temperature.
Venus consists of a core, mantle, and crust.
The core is made of solid and liquid iron and nickel.
The mantle is liquid, but the composition is unknown.
The crust is made of siliceous rocks, about 50 kilometers thick.
The plate activity stopped approximately 1 billion years ago, but there are frozen lava flows. There are some that are hundreds of kilometers long.
These lava flows cover 80% of Venus's surface.
There were thousands of volcanoes active long ago.
Most of the volcanoes that are located on Venus are shield volcanoes.
Some of the other surfaces on Venus include highlands.
Abby, only 8% of Venus's surface is highlands.
All of this plate activity occurred because of convection currents in the planet's interior. This picture is the result of basaltic volcanism.
That was an image of Magellan, orbiting Venus.
The topography of Venus was discovered with the Magellan spacecraft.
The first spacecraft to visit Venus was Mariner 2 in 1962.
And Venus has been visited by approximately 20 spacecrafts now, including Pioneer Venus and Soviet Venera 7.
Fun fact?
Number 1.
Oh yeah. Venus rises and sets each day. It rises in the west and sets in the east. Due to this, it is nicknamed the morning and evening star.
Fun fact?
Number 2.
Oh yeah. Venus is the brightest object in the solar system.